Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about our first key management key exchange algorithm, which we call it as Diffie-Hellman key agreement algorithm. In our last class, we discussed that in order to do exchange of information, first we need to exchange the key. What happens if the key is shared over the internet if it is hacked? If the key is hacked, there is no use. So we need to exchange the key in such a way that it should not be known to the other person. That is how we need to exchange the key. So in order to do that, our first method is Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. So what happens here, how we are going to do that? So A and B are commonly generating generating some values. What those values means? It is going to generate P and G value. P means a large prime number, means 1024 bits are there. So from this P means the value that is less than P, you generate a G, you get a generator value. Generator means so it is going to generate the values from 0 to P minus 1. Generator is of order P minus 1. The concept of if you generate a prime number P, it is going to get the numbers from ZP star over the multiplication operation. Means we are having a set of numbers of a group over a multiplication operation. From that you can pick a generator which is of order P minus 1, means it is going to generate numbers from 0 to P minus 1. So the concepts of these basics, order and generator, means generator is already discussed in our previous classes. Hoping that you already know those. So P and G is openly sent to A and B. Any one of the system is going to generate P and G values, it is sent to the next one. It is open to all. Nothing problem with this. Now what happens? The system A choose a large random number X, means X is generated by A. It is not given to any other person. X, you should generate a random number X that should be between 0 and P minus 1. Now using this X, R1 is generated by A. R1 means G power X mod P. Similarly, B is choosing a large random number Y that is between 0 and P minus 1. So B is going to generate R2, which is G power Y mod P. So now R1 and R2 are going to be exchanged. A is going to send R1 to B. B is going to send R2 to A. So we are sending R1 and R2. We are not sending X and Y values. That is very important to understand. Now B is having R1 value, A is having R2 value. Now they can generate their keys. How it is going to generate? Suppose A got R2. A is having X value. R2 power X mod P. That is what we call it as key. Similarly, key is equal to R1 power Y. B is having R1. R1 power Y. B have Y value because Y is generated by B. R1 power Y mod P. R2 means G power Y. G power Y power X means G power XY. Similarly, R1 means G power X. G power X power Y means G power YX mod P. Both are getting the same value. That's why it is called it as key. Key is exchanged between A and B without knowing to other parties. Example, let's take generate P is equal to 23, G is equal to 7, generator is equal to 7. Now A randomly selected X value, that is 3 value, R1 is generated, X power 3 mod 23 is equal to 21. Similarly, B generated a random number 6, R2 is equal to 7 power 6 mod 23 is equal to 4. Now 21 is sent to B, 4 is sent to A. X is having 3, 4 cube mod 23 is 18. Similarly, 21 is sent to B, 21 power 6, Y is equal to 6, 21 power 6 mod 23 is equal to 18. 18 is the key. And you may get some questions regarding whether by taking this 21 and 4 value, can't we generate the x value and y value? No, we cannot generate x and y value because we are not sending x and y value over the internet. We are sending g power x mod p value. Means 21 is sent, 4 is sent. By taking this value, finding x from this value is a logarithmic problem. In our last classes, we already discussed that logarithmic problem is an exponential problem, means which cannot be solved in seconds. It will take years to solve that problems. So that's why key exchange can be happened between A and B using Diffie-Hellman key agreement algorithm without knowing to any other persons over the internet. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.